Hello, friends. This is Owen Fernandez once again from The Winners Within You. Today, I'm going to talk on the topic of be decisive. In one of my teaching classes on decision making, I carried out this simple experiment. I told my students in the class to just imagine that each of them are confronted by a genie who grants them this one offer as a wish. They needed to pick only one from the options were having the power to fly or be invisible for a day. So they needed to decide which one would they choose. Now, while I have noticed that most students immediately picked being invisible, there were quite a few on the fence who showed a straight face, answering that it was difficult indeed for them to decide. You know my feeling? My feeling was, damn it, it was just an experiment. So why hesitate? Why couldn't they decide? Friends, how is it for you? Do you often find it difficult to make decisions, whether small or big? Decisiveness is the ability to make clear-cut and timely decisions with the appropriate amount of information. Making decisions that are well-informed and time-sensitive is a crucial part of being successful. In the workplace, decisiveness is the key for effectively executing plans and achieving set goals. Now, decisiveness isn't a skill that people typically talk about, but it is extremely important to successful leadership. For example, have you ever worked with a leader who could not make up their mind? They were always asking others what they thought, but they never came up with any conclusions themselves. If you have experienced this, you understand how frustrating and indecisive that leader may be. Now, one of the many challenges that most people face when making a decision is fear of making a mistake. Now, this may lead to risk aversion or the inability to move forward with decisions. I've also found out that another common setback is that many people and even leaders get caught up in analysis paralysis. Now, this plays out in the form of incessant information, gathering statistics, surveys, and the like that can prolong the decision-making process. There are very few people who are willing to put their trust in someone that overthinks and goes back and forth over basic, simple decisions. Now, friends, you and I know overthinking creates fatigue and stress. Remember, if you don't have solid, timely decisions and guidance, all those around you have something to lose. Your employees, customers, and stakeholders. Without sound decision making, the entire business, not to mention your position, could be at a risk. In life too, you have to make the call. You have to take decisions. Having said that, it is important to know your values and what it is that you truly want. Mark Twain said, and I quote, "Good decisions come from experience, and experience come from making bad decisions." I repeat, good decisions come from experience, and experience come from making bad decisions. What I'm trying to get here is to just decide. Just make a decision in life. We will either be right or wrong, but that's about it. And of course, it goes without saying that we back our decisions with action. Taking no action only does one thing: it leaves you where you currently are. Friends, success always comes from taking action and not just thinking about what to do. The decisive person, I repeat, the decisive person always has an edge. There is a cost to not making a decision. What many people don't consider is the price they pay by being indecisive. So let's be conscious decision makers this week, or for the rest of our lives. Conscious of our ability to make decisions and to be decisive. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please comment and share it with friends. Also, you could go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to it. Remember, the win is always within you. We are here to help you be victorious. We believe in you and we believe you can. Stay safe. Bye for now and see you soon.
Ooh.